To make the videos that you have right here on the timeline interesting, you can add in a fade in and fade out to the video when the video starts and ends. So if I were to go around and keep my timeline cursor in the beginning and then press the play button, you can see that the video simply plays out directly. But you can fade it to, let's say, for example, for example, from black to a bit like this footage right here, then it'll look much more interesting as well. So to do that, while the video clip is selected, you can click on fade right here, and then you can see that you have the fade in and fade out option for this video. If I were to increase the fade in right here, you can see that I can choose the second duration right here. Let's say, for example, I want it for 0.8 second. So you can select it and press the play button, and you can see that it immediately fades in right there onto the video. So once you go around, and you can see that this is the other video clip. So for this one, I'm going to go around and change out the fade out right here to, let's say, for example, more than 2 seconds. And once it reaches the end of 2 seconds, you can see it fades out. And this is the overall result now. The video starts to fade in, and then as it progresses along right here, it goes around and slowly fades out right there, just like that. So what you can also do is you can go around, add in a fade out to this video as well, and add in a fade in over here just like this as well. If you were to go around and press the play button, now you can see that it goes out to fade out and fade in individually in the clips as well. And that is how you can work around with the clip fade in and out inside of Clipchamp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.